Top causes of gearbox failure and essential maintenance tips. Hey everyone, welcome to ObahMech-Autos. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on tips that could save your ride. Today, we're diving into a common nightmare for drivers: gearbox failure. We'll break down the top causes and share the best maintenance tips to keep your transmission running smooth. Let's gear up and get into it. All right, let's talk about why gearboxes fail. Your gearbox, or transmission, is the heart of your car's power delivery, but it can go wrong for several reasons. Here are the top culprits. 1. Lack of proper lubrication. This is the #1 killer. If your transmission fluid is low, old, or the wrong type, it can't lubricate the gears properly. Friction builds up, leading to wear and eventual breakdown. Imagine running a marathon without water. That's your gearbox without good fluid. 2. Overheating. Heat is the enemy. Driving in stop-and-go traffic, towing heavy loads, or even a faulty cooling system can make your gearbox overheat. When it gets too hot, the fluid breaks down, seals warp, and parts expand unevenly, causing cracks or seizures. 3. Misuse and driver error. Slamming gears, riding the clutch in manuals, or ignoring warning lights. These habits accelerate wear. In automatics, not coming to a full stop before shifting from drive to reverse is a big no-no. It's like forcing puzzle pieces that don't fit. 4. Contamination. Dirt, metal shavings from wear, or even water from a leaky seal can sneak in. This turns your fluid into a gritty mess, grinding away at internals like sandpaper. 5. Wear and tear from age or overloading. High mileage without service or pushing your car beyond its limits, like overloading a truck, leads to fatigue in bearings, synchros, and clutches. Manufacturing defects are rare, but can happen too, especially in cheaper parts. If you've experienced any of these, drop a comment below. What's the worst gearbox issue you've dealt with? Transition. Smooth cut to maintenance tools, fluid changes, and checklist graphics. Best maintenance tips. Now, the good news. Most failures are preventable with smart maintenance. Here are my top tips to keep your gearbox happy and healthy. 1. Regular fluid checks and changes. Check your transmission fluid level every month. It's easy, just like checking engine oil. Change it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or as per your car's manual. Always use the manufacturer-recommended fluid. Don't cheap out. 2. Keep it cool. Ensure your cooling system is in top shape. Install an auxiliary cooler if you tow often, and avoid idling in extreme heat. Monitor your temperature gauge. If it spikes, pull over. 3. Drive smart. Shift smoothly, avoid aggressive starts, and let your car warm up before hard driving. For manuals, master the clutch. For automatics, use the right gear for the job, like low gear on hills. 4. Inspect for leaks and noises. Look under your car for red or brown spots. That's transmission fluid leaking. Listen for grinding, whining, or clunking sounds during shifts. Catch these early with a pro inspection every 12,000 miles. 5. Professional servicing. Don't DIY everything. Get a transmission flush if needed, and have a mechanic check solenoids and filters during tune-ups. Prevention is cheaper than a full rebuild, which can cost thousands. Follow these, and your gearbox could last over 200,000 miles easy. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. The main causes of gearbox failure and how to avoid them with solid maintenance. Your car thanks you. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe to ObahMech-Autos for more mech tips. Got questions? Comment below, and I'll reply. Safe driving out there. See you in the next video.